You can now convert bank statements and invoices into spreadsheets. All you have to do is go to snapsheet.xyz. Once you're there, simply click on the Upload button, or you can even drag and drop a file. Let's select a bank statement. After uploading, the file is processed automatically and converted into a spreadsheet view. You'll see two tabs, one with the account summary and another with the actual transactions. From here, you have the option to download the data as a CSV or Excel file. So if you want to export it, just download it as Excel, and you're done.